In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a quote to an invoice in Xero. This process is quite straightforward and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you know exactly what to do at every stage. First, let's head over to the Xero website by opening your preferred web browser and typing in xero.com. Once the website loads, navigate to the top right corner where you'll find the login button. Give that a click to continue. After logging in, you'll land on your Xero homepage. Here you'll see various options on the taskbar menu at the top. Look for the section labeled Sales. This is where we're going to start the conversion process. Once you've located it, click on Sales to proceed. Within the Sales section, you'll find another option labeled Quotes. Click on this to bring up your list of quotes. For a quote to be eligible for conversion to an invoice, it needs to be in either an accepted or approved status. If your quote is in another status, you'll need to update it before proceeding. Assuming your quote is ready, look for the option labeled Accepted on the top menu. Click on this to view all your accepted quotes. You should now see a list of quotes with the accepted status. Next, click on the checkbox to select the quote you wish to convert. Now direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see the option to create invoice. Click this button to start the conversion process. A new screen will appear allowing you to create an invoice from the selected quote. Click on Create to continue. Before finalizing, it's crucial to review all the invoice details. Check thoroughly that all pertinent information such as customer name, items, dates, and amounts are correct. If anything needs adjusting, you can do so at this point. Satisfied with everything? You have two options. You can either approve and send the invoice directly to your customer by clicking on the Approve button, or if you'd prefer to review it later or make further changes, you can simply save it for now, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully converted a quote into an invoice in Xero. This process not only streamlines your workflow, but also helps maintain an organized track of all your sales transactions. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks with Xero.